everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change your name or username on Facebook. It's pretty simple, let's get started. First, open your Facebook application and tap on menu icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap on Settings here or here and you will see Account Center. Click on it, select the Profiles item. Next, select your Facebook profile, and here you can change your name or username. Changing your username means that the link to a Facebook account in your browser will change. Don't worry, all your data will be saved and won't change in any way. And you can also change the name and profile picture. Select name and change your name or last name. After that, tap on Preview Change. If you want to change profile picture, tap on it and allow Facebook to access photos and media on your device. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day. See you next time.